It's the only other ingredient in the recipe. This and oil, but I don't have oil. Okay, that was really, really dramatic. Donut. Hey, so today I'm going to be making some VooDoo donuts. If you don't know what VooDoo donuts are, they are super yummy, scrumdiddlicious, discrumptious, okay. Amazing, scrumptious, delicious, most amazing donuts in the entire world. VooDoo donuts are made in Portland, Oregon, and then they've since expanded to lots of different places around the country, but they're super special donuts because they have lots of crazy, wacky toppings like cereals and... So yeah, lots of fun donut stuff there, and VooDoo Donuts has lots of crazy people working there, and I thought today, you know, because not everyone can drive to Oregon or Denver or Orlando where VooDoo Donuts are, I was thinking it'd be fun to make VooDoo Donuts. So, that is just what we're going to be doing today.
Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today.
So there's two ways to make donuts. There's an easy way and there's a hard way, and I'm going for the easy way. Wow, that was cute. So, you get these things. Pillsbury's Grand Southern Home Style. Love the voice crack. So what we're gonna do, so basically you just need this and some oil. Alright, so I've set us up with a new angle here so you can see what I'm doing. You're welcome. First things first, cookie pan. Second things second, open the dough. So my phone decided to stop working, but basically I opened it and it made a big boom. And now I have these. So, first things first, take two of them, put them together. Oh yeah, that was fun. Oops. Alrighty. Mwah, my masterpiece. Next. So now, this is your donut. In 20 minutes, this is going to be heaven. Probably not. Okay, now we're gonna take a knife and cut out a circle. If you're a pro, you have like a donut holer. But you see, I am not a professional. So, we are winging it. All right, that one was a little less satisfactory. Probably because I came in a little bit too confident in that one. I don't know. But whatever. So now all of my holes are out of the donut. And now comes the really hard part. Okay, so now we're taking this setup to the stove. And this setup isn't going to work very well because my head's like in the pan. So if this was actually cooking, my face would be on fire. Okay, here's what you're gonna do. I don't really know, I've never done this before. Kids, don't try this at home. I'm still a kid, it's fine. Oil! Into the pan! Nothing goes to waste. More oil! Turn the sucker on. What? Okay, actually I don't know what heat it should be on. I turn it up too high and then have it like burn my face off. So basically I put it on 6 just to be safe. But if you burn your house down, don't come crying to me because I told you I didn't know what to do, so maybe you should look it up like I'm not going to. We have a crisis going on. The oil doesn't smell good. Okay, nothing's happening. I'm assuming it's fine. Back to business. Alright, I found this. It's regular vanilla frosting. It's not approved for donuts, but we're gonna give it a shot because why not? I also found some sprinkles. Also, food coloring. That's always, what? Wow. So, we're gonna kick it up a notch because it's not boiling and I'm impatient. If my house explodes, it wasn't my fault. am impatient. I'm gonna put a donut in. Here's what you're gonna do. Drop this in. It's bubbling. Here, let me show you. Oh, it just farted.
A few moments later.
Okay, this actually looks so cool. I think it's working.
6.5 hours later.
Okay. Okay, this is kind of legit. Wow. Okay, it looks a little, okay. Okay, look at this. I mean, look how big it is. It's got lots of volume. It's thick. Thick with a double C. Okay. It looks good. Sort of. You know, you're gonna throw some frosting on that bad boy. It's gonna be good. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay. Okay. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Whoa! Heck yeah! Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna put this bad boy in. All right, putting that sucker in. Okay, look at this. This looks freaking bomb!
Does it? Does it really?
This is so legit! Holy crap! Alright, a lot's changed. Not really, but now it's golden brown. It looks like a donut. I'm so freaking excited. This is the coolest thing I think I've ever done in my life and been successful at. Okay? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Donuts turning out really nice. The donuts look really yummy. Holy crap! Next! Okay. Ouch, fudge! Ouch, 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 ouch! Danger. Whew. Tongs. I've now gotten tongs. Okay, it's flipped. My hand hurts a lot. Hold on while I go do CPR. I don't want to get splashed! Crisis averted. Alright, we're moving. Back on the road, baby. They look like fair food, if I'm honest. They don't look anything like VooDoo donuts. This one isn't even cooked. Health code violation. On myself. Alright. Taking this sucker out and turning this crap off because it scares me. Here's what we're gonna do. We have some frosting and some food coloring. Get 3 bowls. 1, 2, 3. Huzzah! Coming in today, I wanted to make you the Oreo one because it's my favorite donut in the entire universe.
You betcha it is.
Yeah, but someone ate all the Oreos last night, so that won't be happening today. Instead, today we're going to be making the pink donut, which has sprinkles, and apparently it tastes like strawberry. Anyways, we're gonna be making the Captain Crunch one because I freaking love Captain Crunch. I'm gonna make the Fruit Loop one because even though I really don't like Fruit Loops at all, I think they're nasty, but I don't have Oreos anymore, so we're gonna start with the Captain Crunch one. Take your donut, apply frosting. Looking good. And now, take a handful of Captain Crunch. This looks so good. That seems good. So that's how you make the Captain Crunch one. Freaking bomb.com. Next, we're gonna make the strawberry one. Oh, that was a lot. Ah! Oh yeah, baby. This is what I'm talking about. That's a little too much. That's a little too little. Ah! Okay, this isn't my best work. You know, I could probably try a little harder, but I don't really care to. Don't you just love it? Okay, so it's been a hot second. My camera cut out and I kept filming and I made this really cute cookie. So basically you just do frosting and then you apply the cereals, you know, like you would regularly. But now we're actually gonna make another one. There's this purple donut at VooDoo Donuts that is not very good because it is grape flavored, but you know, if you like to eat donuts that taste like medicine, I won't judge you. But it's purple with cute little purple sprinkles, and well, I don't have purple food dye, nor do I have purple sprinkles, but I do have blue food dye and blue sprinkles. So, you know what we're gonna do. That's cute, but you know what? We could do better. Oh, have I stepped up the game? This is some coconut shreds. Well, that might just be the darn cutest thing I think I've ever frickin' seen. I'm taking this Lunchable, and I'm going to eat it. But first, I am taking the Oreos from the Lunchable, and we are making the Oreo donut. Okay, well that is that. This is adorable! We have one more donut left. I do not know what to do with it. So I'm gonna think. What's a really fun summer treat that everyone loves to eat? S'mores! We're gonna make a s'mores donut. This is so cute, dudes. Ew, dudes. Okay, this is so cute. The lighting's butt in here because it's like dark outside. But you know, I'm always red like a Target sign or a tomato anyway. So, you know, you're just getting to know the real me. What? I love it. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Edible, but just go buy donuts. So thank you for chilling with me today and making some donuts. Do not forget to subscribe and like, and if you try it out, God help your soul, they're not very good.